beautiful people, welcome back to Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine. Today I'm out picking blackberries. Yes guys, I picked my own blackberries and then they just charged me for it, okay? So this is the blackberry field. So guys, when the blackberry looks like this, it's red, it means it's not ready. Blackberry is not supposed to be red. It's supposed to look like this. This is a twin blackberry. This is a twin. So yes guys, I just finished picking my blackberries. So now I'm going to pay for what I just picked. Okay, guys. So now that I finished paying for my blackberries, now it's time to go home and wash the blackberries and put them away. So stay tuned. So here are the blackberries that I pick. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them clean and then put them away. Okay? So there's a lot of blackberries, guys. So this is what I use to cleanse my blackberries. I have the water here and I'm adding baking soda and vinegar. So yes, the water is ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the blackberries inside and I'm gonna have it sit in there for 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna rinse them off again. So look how the water look cloudy, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and strain it in the colander right here. And I'm gonna run some more water on them. So now my blackberries are all clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and sit them on top of this tray, on top of the paper towel, so they can go ahead and dry. And then I'm gonna put them in Ziploc bags, put some in the refrigerator and some in the freezer. The ones in the freezer is the one I'm gonna use to make smoothie. So there you have it, lovely people. I take you blackberry picking and then I take you home and wash blackberries with me. Thank you so much for watching. Live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself.